which is delicious. Well, it's still kind of dark here too, but mainly because it's storming. The thunder rolls. Yes. I am single, no children. Thanks, Branch. I hope you have a good day too. Watched my entire show last night. What do you mean? I've never been cheated on. I know. You're going to say that you know of. No, like, I know. Good morning. Thanks, Taco Jim. Good morning. My 4th was good. I just made some content, edited some videos, hung out with the cats. I made some kielbasa. I ate some baked beans. I heard the fireworks, but we stayed inside. The Thundersville fireworks. They weren't that bad. I thought it was going to be like total mayhem. It wasn't. It wasn't bad. I live in Southwest Florida. The wind has sprinkles in it. It is chilly on my back. I have no children. 0. No children means I will never be a grandma. I look like one, but I ain't one. I just look that way. I'm in Southwest Florida.